Hi Shivam. यार अरे आकाश यार सॉलिट्यूड बहुत ही ज्यादा खराब लगा यार बट धोनी आया और गया जितनी जल्दी अभी तक लग रहा है कि फास्टेस्ट वही है बिटवीन द विकेट्स सीएसके के कैंप में। हाय विनय। शिवम कैसा है भाई? अरे फुल ऑन एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन अब सुन और मजे लो। आज तो एजेंडा के साथ आया हूं मैं। शेड्यूल में बातें नहीं करनी चाहिए तो थोड़ा स्ट्रक्चर देने की कोशिश की है आज के डिस्कशन को।
Hi.
हाय, योर कनेक्शन इज फाइन नाउ।
Yeah, much better now. Now the show is back in form.
अरे रीम हैज जॉइंड।
Yeah, in fact, I had a word with Reem will be joining us. So maybe if you could just add him.
ऑसम ऑसम
Yeah.
ऑसम। आई हैव सेंट हिम अ रिक्वेस्ट।
Okay, that's great.
सो should we start like today? There is a plan, there is an agenda, and I'm hoping that I'll get to see Ashish sir, Shashwat, Reem joining in. And Abhishek Punya is also here. Abhishek, do you want to come live?
Yeah, you must actually.
I've sent him an
Abhishek,
invite. Let's see. It's, I think it's too
he's
late in the
on.
night by the time. Oh,
Yeah.
we have a new member.
Hi.
I
Hi.
Hi. It looks
am
familiar.
seeing you after such a long time, man. I'm seeing you after such a long time. Coach,
I know, I know. I'm actually here to give my sympathies here. I mean, Dhoni getting out on zero.
that's what I was saying. That Dhoni is still the fastest between the wickets.
I know. And then Delhi winning it. This year, I'm really hoping Delhi wins it, yeah.
But why,
This
Abhishek?
year somehow
Why Delhi?
Karam Bhumi है देखो जन्म भूमि में तो they have taken that idiot. राजस्थान में वो किसको लिया है? I'm forgetting that player यार. Left arm fast bowler, बॉम्बे वाला.
उनटकट
हाँ, उनादकट.
उनटकट तो छोड़ देते हैं. Let's not even. Hello Reem.
Hi,
Hi.
Hi,
Reem.
Reem.
Let's not even talk about Unadkat.
So that's why I've disowned Rajasthan.
But Thika Abhishek, then you have to own up the right team. Why didn't you own Mumbai Indians then? Why Delhi?
Yeah, Mumbai is more. I mean, Rohit Sharma
It's
है ना यार
predictable.
उसमें.
No, but Punya, you are a Delhi guy, right? Why are you supporting
Yeah, that's what I'm
Mumbai?
telling. I'm telling them that I'm a Delhi guy.
That's where Bombay is where his business comes from, yeah.
No,
No,
but
no.
Bombay also
Bombay-
has
Bombay is
Rohit
the real,
Sharma, na?
Bombay is the real Karambhumi of the country, no matter where you live.
I
Yeah,
think that
financial
has changed a
capital.
bit, right?
Sorry?
No.
That has changed a bit for business-wise also. Mumbai is down a bit now.
That's
Yeah.
true for all the cities. Yeah.
Thanks.
सब दिल्ली में
Thanks,
पैसा
Reem.
भी.
हाँ,
तो
पैसा ही
अभी
चलो दिल्ली चलो.
इस बार ना कल का जो सेशन हुआ था एक तो वो 1 घंटे चल गया और पता भी नहीं चला. So I was thinking if I could थोड़ा streamline it and depending on the match तो पूरे टाइम मैच देखा हूँ कुछ और नहीं किया मैंने. So
I honestly didn't see the full match. I was checking the scores a bit
Oh,
to see
neither did
Shaw
I.
zero मारा या
Neither did
कुछ.
I. Neither did I. So I'm like a penny for an exam for which I'm not prepared. So, but be it.
So there are a few questions and let's see what we feel about it. So first of all, MSD versus Pant
Pant,
captaincy battle. No, he won
Pant
on the scoreboard. He's on top. But is it even a battle to coin that term?
I think Pant won the moment he dropped Smith.
Yeah.
That takes guts, right? Your first match as a captain, you drop Smith. Basically, he told Smith, you are worth only $3 lakh. Why I'm telling you, you sit in the dugout, basically.
But is that Pant or Ponting?
It's Pant. Ponting loves Smith, yeah.
I feel it's a harsh call that they've taken, but going ahead with dropping Smith would be Ponting's call. I think that is something that he would do.
I think Smith
He
will
would do.
come in the knockouts for sure.
Later up. Yeah.
They'll
I
keep
think
Smith-
he'll be used. Yeah.
Because it's unfair for Smith to play all the games with $3 lakh. Even I feel it's unfair, honestly. It's too less.
So, what about the battle? You feel MHD versus Pant? Is there a battle or?
See, Dhoni looks he's
Older?
burnt out.
Yeah.
Sorry, what?
He looks. Dhoni reminded me today. Whatever I saw of the game, he reminded me today of 2011 post World Cup English tour. He just looks going through the motions a bit.
Or you
Fleming's
mean when
face
he
was
quit the
said
series
everything.
or when you also
No.
say
When he was
quit
captaining in
mid-series?
when he was 2011 series, बोल रहा हूँ 0-4 वाला.
हाँ, but
Yeah.
He
what
looked
I'm saying
like-
is the same as when he quit mid-series.
Yeah.
Disinterested.
He looks disinterested. Like,
Yeah,
why am I
yeah,
playing this
yeah.
game? Types. Thoda.
True.
Okay, so going by the scorecard and the points table, Pant is definitely on top in this game. We'll have the second leg and let's see how that goes.
No,
But that will be
but
even
you are-
tougher. That'll be
but you
even
are judging
that'll
the
be even
captaincy
tougher
only by
because
the result.
Nortje and Rabada will be back.
Which team are they playing with?
Delhi.
Yeah, so Delhi looks stronger and stronger, right?
Yeah,
Basically.
Delhi will get even stronger now.
CSK is
but
out.
don't
I
you
think CSK
think-
has to change.
So that is my next point. Is this
But
is this
actually,
the
I differ. I differ on the opinion for both the teams actually, because I've always felt Delhi is something that will dazzle one day and collapse on the very next day. And even if you look at the kind of batsmen they're relying on, whether it is Dhawan, Pant or Shaw, their game is like this: dazzle and collapse.
Dhawan was
Whereas-
very consistent in the previous IPL also.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about one particular IPL, but that's how Delhi has been. They show potential, but I don't think they maximize their potential. So that's how people are like, Delhi has got to be there now. But otherwise speaking, and when it actually comes to the reaching the knockout stages, I don't think they've been very consistent. So consistency is a real issue with Delhi team.
I think
Whereas
that's
with
why.
Chennai, although they are like oldies, but they are the workhorses. They are far more.
No, I think there's another twist here. The
Hmm.
IPL will be decided for the playing 15 for the World Cup, T20 World Cup. So everybody who's not in the team has something to prove, and Delhi has two crucial players who want to be in the team, Dhawan and Prithvi Shaw.
yeah.
They are determined to make it to that playing 15.
But then those two players can't determine the fortunes of Delhi, and neither
No, but the
wanting
rest is Pant is
something
there.
means
Pant
that you
is
would
a-
actually do that.
Pant
But
is there,
a
Stoinis is the
captain.
team.
But Pant is a
Yeah,
captain.
which is a different thing, right? See, if
No, but
Delhi had chosen
also-
Smith as a captain or Dhawan or typical Delhi style captains, right? I agree with you. The moment they made Pant as captain, it shocked everybody. It has like a shock to the system, bolte na? It has rejuvenated the whole.
So there was
Squad.
an interesting scene today when the team was walking in for the fielding. Pant was walking with Ajinkya Rahane, Ashwin and Dhawan on his side. It was like three of them who are seniors in each and every way, and there was a junior kid who was walking as a captain with them. But
Because
Payal,
he
kind
deserved
of,
it.
Yeah, I kind of disagree. If you look at the last two seasons, they finished third and then they finished second. So I mean, before
Huh.
that they were nowhere to be seen.
But
Yeah.
what I'm saying is still true for the last two seasons also. Irrespective of the fact that they reached there, you will have to agree they are not a very consistent team. They can collapse any day. Their
Maybe
scoring
not
is
that-
much more
maybe-
reliable. Their
No,
Maybe
bowling is more
consistent is
reliable.
not the right word.
consistent.
It's maybe because they're not prepared for the big games. Maybe
Yeah,
that
They
is
have Prithvi
because
Shaw, who's
and that's the
inconsistent, na?
problem
uh,
because consistency is very important for long tournaments like IPL.
and
For a
also
long tournament,
the
you would
term
rather put your money on CSK than Delhi.
No,
yeah,
yeah.
but
No, this
CSK
CSK is very fatigued.
No, but you know I'm
Something's
not a
wrong with
CSK
this.
fan. I'm not a CSK fan, you
true.
know that. But uh,
I
No,
think
so
CSK needs a reboot.
yeah,
X-Men
that
Yeah,
will
reboot
yeah.
happen
types.
next
They
year.
need a
that I
reboot.
That will
agree.
happen
Yeah,
next year.
true,
I think
true.
That
I
will
think
happen
Rahul
next year.
Dravid should be made CSK's coach. Hana Reem?
Let's
He
quickly change the topic.
Yeah.
why do you feel he's not coaching them already?
Now Reem will
By
be
the
like,
way,
Let's
let me tell
मैं
you
दिख इंदिरा
something.
नगर का क्या what's the
Let me tell
tagline?
you something.
मैं इंदिरा नगर का
CSK
गुंडा.
is preparing for an IPO.
Yeah.
Big blockbuster IPO. Secondary market mein shares are going crazy. DMart guy has bought shares in CSK. So lot of
He's
money
also
for
bought a
CSK to be
and
bungalow in
made.
Malabar
it's
Hill.
only
So
after buying shares in CSK he bought that 1,000 crore flat.
exactly.
1,001 crore.
So
Yeah,
CSK
precisely.
CSK winning can build something can happen where the IPO will determine which team will win the IPL also. So you don't know. Lot of jhol will happen
Yeah,
in
yeah,
this.
yeah.
And DMart is also the partner for supplying groceries, so they have to make CSK win.
करेक्ट फॉर एग्जांपल रोहित शर्मा के होम डिलीवरी में डीमार्ट पुराना दूध दे देगा उसको सिंपल
Okay, so
सिंपल तरीका
coming back to a point that was also there in the list, and you guys rightly raised it, that IPL has always been, the breeding ground and also selection ground for a lot of players. And already the way Dhawan was sidelined for T20, which is baffling because as Atik also pointed out right now, and this has been going on. So Dhawan has been scoring 500 runs consistently in the last few IPLs. So showing him the door so easily was incorrect, and he has again made a very strong statement today. Now, for him, this is a very big tournament. For Prithvi Shaw, it's a very big tournament,
He
especially
just
these two
changed his
guys. And
tactic a bit if you note he looks a little
who?
bit Prithvi Shaw
He looks
Yeah,
what,
change
sorry?
his
yeah.
technique slightly
What has he
Gavaskar
changed?
was going gaga about it, and he pointed it out, and they showed it also on TV how his right elbow is now closer to his stomach, and that is letting him play those shots with a lot more ease. So he has changed, and I think he's been working with Praveen Amre for a very long time. After, like, I think before Vijay Hazare, he started working with Praveen Amre, and
he's
that has brought
I saw
about the
his
change.
post-match speech and that is what gives me positive vibes about that he
True,
didn't make this
true.
arrogant speech which I thought he would
Yeah,
make and I was ready to type it on Gmo and he ruined my post I had
Yeah,
to
but
turn it into a praiseworthy post
no,
but he's
it was a
21.
very surprising speech.
Is it arrogance or he's just being cocky or 21-year-old
I think
kid?
he's
Yeah, I mean,
just
I think we
cocky
need to. I just
he's too
think
young
we
yeah
just need to
I think
give
he should
him a
not
break. Yeah, he's
yeah
just a kid, over
he's too
scrutinized.
young
Yeah, he's too young. But
Arey,
I
under
also
19
feel
World
that.
Cup Prithvi Shaw, in my view, people mock me for this, but I feel Prithvi Shaw won us the under 19 World Cup. Dravid just stole credit. बिना पृथ्वी शॉ
No,
के
yeah.
the
No,
same
Reem.
no
No,
I
no.
have evidence बिना
Okay,
पृथ्वी शॉ के the same under 19 team the same team minus पृथ्वी शॉ with Dravid
You
lost to
can't be
Nepal under 19
as
you
इतनी
can't
बुरी
be talking
परफॉर्मेंस
like
थी
Gunda. You can't
as
be
soon
talking
as
about Gunda of
Dravid
Indrapuram
has
like
proved
this,
with that
yeah.
ad that he's a great actor he's a
as
Arey,
soon
brilliant
as
actor
Reem. Remind me to tag you on something after this.
yeah
as soon as
I
Dravid
need some of the work that you've been doing, some of the social work that you've been doing on a public platform about Dravid's ad. I'll tag you there.
Yeah.
Rahul Dravid is my trigger word, and that is when I'll be changing topics.
Yeah. So in fact, on
No,
Prithvi Shaw,
yeah.
I think another impact which would have come at personal level would have been emergence of Shubman Gill also in Australia. I mean,
True.
somehow that would have hit him hard because Shubman was always seen in shadow of Prithvi, and
he
Prithvi
was
was,
yeah
at
he was
least
a
from a
weaker
PR
batsman right
perspective, yeah.
he was weaker to
At
Prithvi
that
Shaw in
Abhishek
the
has a very
original
good point.
scheme.
Abhishek has a very good point because look, with Prithvi, I've always felt that he's getting a bit of a raw deal to the extent people are scrutinizing him and forgetting the fact that he's just a kid. And when you've been under so much of pressure of being a child prodigy, hailed as the next Tendulkar, a lot of things go inside your head as well.
Next Tendulkar.
But
Shastri
when
told
he
his next
was-
Tendulkar, Lara, Ponting, Michael Jordan,
Yeah.
Tom
But then
Cruise.
the thing, so
Shashwat-
I think he's overcooked that way, but I think what's frustrating for fans is that if this goes on, in another couple of years, he'll be overtaken by someone else. And as Abhishek said, and even a bits and pieces player may fit in, because if he fits, he sits. Whereas someone as potentially talented as Prithvi will just get sidelined because the bench strength is so solid now. So I think Abhishek is right. It maybe it's the guilt factor.
See,
and,
मेरा theory is
it
that in
came
the
on.
Indian team, any player who has leadership quality is 50-50 in the team always. They make it uncertain for him. The team, nobody can challenge Virat's position as a leader in any form.
Fine. So now you're getting the point, not the team, but Virat.
So Shashwat has a very good point. He says that Prithvi Shaw can be our next flat track bully.
Yeah. So he can be the next Rohit Sharma, is what Shashwat means.
Rohit Sharma
True.
का flat track bully बना.
So well, that's
वो
a big
स्पिन
That's
की
a
कंडीशन में कम खेला.
That's a big
वो तो
what's
सेकंड
wrong
न्यू
with
बॉल
that?
आते टेस्ट मैच और निकल लेता है. That is his.
रोहित शर्मा 2007 से फ्लैट ट्रैक पे खेल रहा है.
Abhishek, you have to come back to Gimo now, okay?
Okay,
We
so
have this argument there.
new question. Let's switch to Chennai and Chinnathala. He
I
came
can't
in
explain.
and
I
he
can't
was
explain. He's a
like he
Bradman of
came
IPL.
back and the way he was batting, it felt as if he has been doing it like it was nearly ABD style of recovery for him. You know the way he started off.
His entire career flops in tours, bilateral, whatever. But IPL comes, something switches on in his mind. He becomes a different batsman. I can't explain what's Raina's
But
love
that's
story with
true for
IPL.
all of them. Na? Most of them, they all play for the
No,
next
Raina's
auction.
spike
They
is
all play for the
huge.
next auction. Yeah, look at the huge difference in any player you pick. I mean, for most players at least.
No, for example, many players like dip in form happens. Even Dhoni's form sometimes dips in IPL. But even if you manage to win, personal form of Raina is skyrocketing in IPL compared to zero consistency outside, right? I mean, he and Yuvraj Singh for me were the best two players in the middle order. But Yuvraj Singh fulfilled more to his potential than Raina did. Raina, I think, didn't
Yeah, but,
fulfill potential.
If you
Don't
see
take
their
Yuvraj's
career,
name and open a can of worms for me, okay?
if you see the career statistics, Yuvraj and Raina are so similar. Their average, their strike rate,
Impact innings,
it's just that,
knockout impact innings.
true.
Yeah.
That's it.
But same with Dhoni, right? 2011 World Cup, he was not performing well.
Yeah.
When it mattered, he played the impact innings. That's what separates,
Yeah, there are also players who are getting cooped up in the bio bubble and ranting, and then
Shashwat
all
is
rejuvenated.
saying Raina looks good in CSK because players around him are too bad at the moment.
That's unfair, yeah. That's
He's
unfair.
the youngest oldie in the group, maybe.
What's Raina's age, by the way?
I have no clue. We'll have to check.
So Raina would
Atif?
be 33, 33, 34.
Yeah.
Acha,
Right.
but
Okay,
if
what
we give
No, he
What
might
about-
be more. He might be more because I remember Caf was the captain who picked him up
Check.
from UP. So
I
I
think I'm
think
regressing a bit. I'm regressing a bit for Abhishek. Oh, short chauka mara, तो तुम्हारा कैफ notes बना रहा था bet.
34 years.
34,
I saw
actually,
that.
34.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was just thinking of you at that time.
So I'll tell you something. Every time somebody drops a catch in Delhi team,
Huh.
I actually feel for Caf. और वो हमेशा लास्ट आईपीएल में देखो वो नोट्स बना रहा होता है. इनफैक्ट धवन व्हेन ही टुक द फर्स्ट कैच वो थोड़ा फंबल हुआ.
34.
But what can you
अरे
do with
पीली
notes,
तो
yaar?
यार.
And last year Delhi's fielding was really bad actually.
हाँ, but अभी
Yeah.
तक तो 2 matches में fielding काफी rusty है. If you see, like maybe it's the
But that
impact
will
of the
take time.
lockdown, and it's going to take time because they're all rusty right now.
Yeah.
You can't simulate
Except for
outfield
Achyut
catches in.
Jadeja, वो कहीं से भी कुछ भी पहुंच जाता है यार. Like he's not impacted by anything.
It'll be tough to pick up a team now, right? India has such a huge problem picking 11 in any format now. It's
But
like
that is
the-
what
Kohli has
that
no
is
problems.
that is what Shashwat was saying yesterday in the conversation, that what is the point of this problem of plenty if you're not winning cups? And considering that in the next 3 years or next three World Cups, two of the World Cups are in India. If we still don't get it,
But
and
I'll be very honest. I'll be very honest
considering
with
there
you.
is just one more opponent left in the whole of limited over cricket, and that is England.
But I'll be very honest with you. I have lost that, that interest for international T20. Not just this year. I mean, just very early on. I feel T20 is like English Premier League football, La Liga. It's a league thing. It's Big Bash, PSL,
Yeah.
IPL. They're much more interesting, much more competitive. International
Yeah.
T20 somehow is very boring for me. And then one day cricket is losing the relevance. The 50-over format itself is losing relevance. The test win, the Australia test win which India did, is greater than all World Cups put together.
Yeah.
It's
I-
way
It
above.
was phenomenal, yeah.
I think PD
So that's
has
my
a-
answer to Shashwat,
PD
by
has
the
a-
way.
Yeah, PD has
Yeah,
a question.
PD has a question.
PD has a
yeah.
question.
Do you think we'll win
The
the
World
Test
Cup.
Championship?
I think New Zealand, yeah.
Again, the championship has no sense. Test matches have to be bilateral.
No, the
I-
championship. It's the most flawed
Agreed.
concept of competition that they've come up with. I don't know
It's
what are they
absurd.
thinking.
Exactly.
cannot
You
have a
will
test-
not assign weights to the quality of opposition that you're facing. You can play
Pitches,
anyone, anywhere, anytime.
due, tosses, quality. You can't have a World Cup like that.
It's designed to be exploited by
And
teams like
Australia
India.
didn't. Australia chose not to go to South Africa.
Correct.
Yeah.
How can you skip a series?
And I feel New Zealand को दे दो ये trophy, बेचारे लोग.
But they are going to win it because they're playing in England before the championship. So they'll have
Arey, that is
couple of
realistic.
tests that they're
Pakistan
coming
played
in.
England before the one ODI World Cup.
पाकिस्तान की बात ही नहीं हो रही है. Pakistan is on their day team. On their day, they are the
हाँ,
best.
so ODI World Cup,
But
you can
that
still
is-
be on your day team and win it. No?
But in test matches, you cannot be on your day. On your 5 days, you have to be
Fair
consistent.
enough. Yeah.
So, and
True.
that way, because they'll be well versed with the conditions. We are going there and playing the game.
New Zealand, England,
Bye-bye.
very similar conditions. It's a huge advantage for New Zealand actually.
True.
And also, after all the spinning tracks we have given them, we are bound to bound to
faster
get-
ones.
Retaliate,
Again,
of course,
I'm telling you,
yeah.
it's meaningless.
Even if India wins that match,
I'm not going to consider that important. For me, it's bilateral series with tests.
I think the Australia win is much larger than winning the test.
It's so big. You
Yeah.
won't believe it. I don't think people have still realized how big it is. It will take 5, 6, 7 years for
Yeah,
people to
yeah.
actually realize how big that was.
And
I think
also
the
the way like,
kids of 90s realize, because we have seen so many defeats.
So many.
Make them
0-3,
felt like
0-3,
that, it's the revenge
0-5.
of everything. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, so
You
coming
wake up
back
and-
to IPL, what do you think about Moeen Ali?
Moeen Ali, I'll tell you what, he's one of the best six hitters. He's somehow done some six hitting improvement program. कहीं तो upgrade से कोर्स किया है उसने six hitting का. But he's improved his six hitting skills. But I think he'll be important. I think he should play all the games.
I think
I
promoting
feel-
him up the order meant that. I mean, they have paid some handsome amount also.
No, he's
And,
a good fit in the 11 in my view.
Yeah.
So
has got
for me,
emotional.
I think for Chennai, he'll be one of the key players.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, there's a
And,
reason the
like-
other cricket players also respect him. He has a stable, calm mind.
Yeah.
Pressure doesn't affect him at all. So, and he's multi-dimensional. Genuinely multi-dimensional.
Yeah.
Can bowl, can
Yeah.
field, can hit, can defend, can hit sixes, can rotate the strike. Again, an international level underachiever.
But again, now Moeen Ali, the topic of him brings me to how all English players are currently in India who are going to be part of the World Cup. Like that is
Guys,
a great preparation.
I'll take your leave.
Is
Okay,
what
okay,
about
We should come. I'll see you guys tomorrow now.
okay.
Bye.
If
Good
there's
night.
a session. Good speaking to you. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
is everyone in India
So
right now? All
there is a spot. Anybody who wants to come in, please send me a request. So everybody, yeah. So you see, Moeen Ali, Butler, Bairstow, uh, Jofra Archer. Uh, who else? Who else? Who else?
what about Jason Roy?
Like Jason Roy also with SRH now.
My favorite
He
opening
came as
pair
a
is Roy and Hales. I
he came
just
as a replacement for Mitchell Marsh. So they got a much better player in return.
100%. I'm very shocked nobody bid for Roy and Hales in the first place. Any franchise should
True.
just pick those two and fix them for the
True.
rest of the thing as open. Hales का कुछ issue हो गया क्या with the England team? Why is he out of English squad first of all?
Hi,
We have
Shashwat.
Shashwat here.
Hi.
Shashwat, I'm very happy you're there because I thought I'm the only guy with bad hair. You have ensured I look better. Thank you. a lot. You deserve that Dravid credit card. Without application, I'll send it.
Still better. Still, it is. I think still better than CSK's performance.
No, but if
Acha, I'll ask
gives
Shashwat
you any
this question.
assurance,
Assume-
this guy VK has a bowling patch now.
Shashwat, who should replace Dhoni as captain of CSK?
CSK needs a total rebuild. I don't think anyone in the
Team
current
छोड़
squad
दो,
has
team
that.
छोड़ दो. पहले captain बोलो कौन replace करेगा धोनी को?
I think first you need to assign a better captain around whom you can build the entire team. I don't think anybody in the current CSK squad
You're
is
saying
capable
no
of
one in the
build.
current CSK.
No, I don't think any because I think the CSK has always been a one-man team. It has been always reliant on Dhoni and Dhoni's decision making. Now with his decline, the whole team has declined. So I think they need to build the entire squad
Why
from
not?
scratch.
Why not Raina? Why not
I
Raina?
think CSK
Raina,
should
I
get a
think,
youngster. I
So
think
PD
CSK
is
should
saying
get a
Raina, but PD also said he's 34.
no, but I think CSK should get a youngster to captain them. Somebody like Shahid Afridi would do justice to it.
Dhoni can still run now, so he can
No,
captain according to
Dhoni
his
can
budget.
replace Fleming.
That's the
As a
only
mentor
defense he
coach.
has now. That's the only defense he has now that he can still run.
He's still fit.
Raina
No
has
doubt
already
about his
captained
fitness.
Gujarat Lions, na? His captaincy stint was not good, I think. He has already captained Gujarat Lions, I guess.
रहना था या
Raina was the
Raina.
captain, I
Smith
guess.
was the other one, Royals. का other.
Yeah.
Who's a youngster in the squad? CSK is an aging squad, right?
Rituraj
Sam Curran.
Gaikwad is one of the youngster, I guess.
Sam Curran, Rituraj Gaikwad. There is this bowler called Rai Kishore, but he has still not found a game, so I don't think he's anywhere in contention right now. But from the playing 11, it is these two guys, unless you make a bowler a captain, which is a very weird thing to do, apparently.
See, the other strategy for Dhoni is to again take a leaf out of what happened to Zidane in France. Zidane had retired. He won the World Cup. Then next World Cup, I think there was injury. France lost out in the first round itself, and then he had retired. And then he came back, and they went to the final, almost won with that infamous incident, derailed France. But Zidane, he built the whole French unit, even though he was much older than them. So Dhoni can do that. Sack everyone from CSK. Pick a fresh squad and stay on as captain. But a completely fresh unit, Dhoni might think differently.
Yeah, I was working today till the 15th over and watching the game. 15th over, Dhoni comes in. I was like, I'll pause now. I'll stop and watch him because you don't get to watch him every day. I was so looking forward to it, and then that happened. I was like, hey, yeah. I think maybe it's time to give all hopes up because apparently he's been practicing for last 4 weeks and he's been having 2 hour long sessions. Or maybe I am reacting a bit too soon for this season.
No, but I'll tell you what. I like such stories. There's a senior guy who's bit down. People are writing him off. We
There's
know he's.
there's a movie also, no? Jersey, I think,
I have not
where
seen
he,
it.
acha,
I've
where
not seen it.
the senior cricketer he turns into a coach and good movie.
See, Dhoni can become a coach, but I'm saying even as a player, he can still contribute because his fitness is there. He's quit all international games. There's only cricket he plays, right? So 2 months he can really focus and play. I mean, it's big money, brand. I mean, CSK's brand, like I told you about the IPO, Dhoni is a huge part of that brand building. So they can't let go of Dhoni. I mean, if I'm a shareholder in CSK, I'll also get angry if you remove Dhoni, right? I want Dhoni as captain. But I feel the team, I don't think he had that much decision inputs in the team making. I think Fleming should be removed first. Fleming, I feel, has stagnated also. I'm defending Dhoni. Can you believe that?
Don't you think Dhoni is a dinosaur now? Matlab, his
No.
tactics are too old school.
See, that's
No,
the
I
No,
seriously
but
think.
yeah, and Shashwat is the point because Reem, as you started, the lack of interest is visible, and that lack of interest may not be just as a captain,
see.
but a
There are
general
two types of
withdrawal
dinosaurs.
from but their general withdrawal from the entire game by itself.
No, I'm saying there are two types of dinosaurs. There is a Brontosaurus and there is a T-Rex. Or let me change it a bit. Assume you make both non-veg. There is a T-Rex and there is a Velociraptor. I feel Dhoni can be a dinosaur who's like a Velociraptor. He can adapt, change, think. So I don't write off Dhoni yet. CSK, I agree. The team looks a bit, but again, maybe it's the first match. Too early to say. But I think
Yeah.
Dhoni, maybe this game is a good game to lose for Dhoni.
That's what I felt last year also. That maybe this game was a
Last
good
year,
game, this game was a good game, this game
but
was
they
a good
lost
game.
so many games.
Okay, let me say another prediction. If Delhi Capitals and Chennai Super Kings play in the final,
Yeah.
CSK will win.
But that any
That
team
is
in the
for
final
sure.
other than Mumbai. Yeah. That any team
That
other
is for
than
sure.
Mumbai, CSK knows how to do it.
I don't think CSK will win because now they are heavily relying on their bits and pieces cricketers like Bravo, Jadeja. I don't think now they are
We have
on their
Manjrekar in the house.
prime.
See, they need
It
Dhoni.
feels
Dhoni
like
has to get his.
it feels like we got Manjrekar on the panel.
See,
No, I always said that Jadeja is the biggest fraud in this cricketing world. I don't know how he has made a career
श्लोक
out
तुमने
of so
मंजरेकर को
little
कैसा बुला लिया
potential.
इंस्टाग्राम में?
अरे यार, he's a fantastic fielder, yaar, and look at his
He's
away
the-
record.
he's one of the
In
best
test
cricketers in the
matches,
world.
he's really, test matches, he's been very effective.
See, a guy
Test
who
match he has
can.
been effective. Yes.
Like
Oh,
I
okay,
know,
let me put it
the
this way.
point that you're trying to say. His hitting ability is not that strong
No, I'm
for
disagreeing with that.
T20 game.
Can I? Do you remember 2004, 2005 Abdul Razak role in Pakistan international team?
Yeah.
What was Razak before that transformation? In the 99 World Cup, if you remember, Razak's role was to block, so the other guys hit. And then 2003-4, something happened. Razak was like 30 balls, 70. Nobody had seen that ever, basically. That too against who? Pollock, Donald, stuff like that. That's what Jadeja can do. And you'll see Jadeja do
I
that.
don't.
But he's
I
not
don't
able
think he has
to,
that.
like, even today, Sam Curran was looking much better in flow when it comes to
First
hitting.
game, na, dekho.
Huh.
But Jadeja takes too much time to get
And he's
better.
coming after an
And
injury. He's coming after a fracture. So give him some time.
but it has been 10 years. How much
Razak
more
भी
time?
कितने साल ही खेला था?
Yeah, I to tend to agree with Shashwat, and I absolutely
What's his
agree
age?
with
Let me check.
Manjrekar on this because I think circumstantially also Jadeja's happened to be at the right place at the right time, so he tends to look better than he actually is.
But he's a fantastic
He's
fielder.
32 years old. So
Undoubtedly,
this is the
there's no
perfect
question on his fielding.
2-3 years for him.
32 years old. He needs to be in his prime now. मतलब
He is.
we
He is in
can't
his
be a
prime, na?
potential world class.
He is in his prime. And Dhoni is only 39. He's not even 40. He can play another 2 years.
Yeah, Dhoni should try for under 19.
I
Okay.
can't believe Reem talking pro Dhoni and Shashwat anti Dhoni.
No, I'll tell you what. I've criticized Dhoni, I've supported Dhoni and all that. It's the way people criticize Dhoni and whatever. When people, so I'm more like a cricket romantic that way, or sports romantic. People fall and then I want to see them come back and win.
Yeah, so we've
Dhoni
had
has
the
been-
discussion about Sampras and Sachin Tendulkar as well, Federer as well.
Yeah.
Actually, not Sampras, Federer. About
Federer,
kind
when he
of
won that
being
Austrian
written
Open,
off and
beating
then
Nadal in
coming
that
back.
final.
Yeah.
So 2019, 18, 19, I don't remember the year we have it.
So it's a team sport, not an individual one. CSK it can surprise everyone. I know they might easily be the bottom half of the points
As
table
per
also.
Gambhir, number 5th, they'll finish on
Yeah.
5th position as per Gambhir.
Unless there is script, I don't think CSK will be in top 4. So I doubt with that squad and with
So
aging Dhoni.
Atik is saying I miss Suman Sahu here. Okay, so let's wrap this up. It's going to be 45 minutes now. What do you think was the turning point of the game? I think what was that moment that changed it?
I think CSK openers flopping. It was downhill from there.
But that was a great recovery.
Not enough. With due factor and all that stuff, with Delhi Capitals batting lineup, Dhawan.
But Dhoni
Shaw.
at 7. That also.
Yeah, Dhoni at 7. Actually, Dhoni should start coming at 4 again. I don't know why he comes at 7.
That's been
I just
the
don't
pain
understand.
point. That's been the pain point for the longest time. Atik is saying Jadeja running out Raina was the turning point. That's also a fair instance. Somehow I feel when Moeen Ali got out, trying to reverse sweep Ashwin, for me that was a big turning point because he could have actually taken it longer.
Could be.
He could have.
So that's the thing, right? In IPL also, the difference between winning and losing is,
Yeah.
So
Look, I
it's
didn't
like-
watch the entire game to be able to comment at the turning point, but I feel that CSK's bowling attack with that defending such.
But that is
I mean,
poor.
so it's so poor. It's always going to be an uphill ride for them.
But that's been historically a problem with
They've
CSK.
they've got 5 games at Wankhede, so it's going to be a big struggle
Yeah.
for them. So I can't comment on the
Ah,
entire match
I-
turning point, but in general.
Also, CSK has chased 30% of their 200 plus scores. That was a stat that was posted.
Sorry, what's the?
So I don't
They have
understand
chased
one thing.
30% of 200 plus scores successfully. And
Hat-trick.
that also means, successfully. And this is the highest by any team chasing 300 plus. But that also means that their bowlers leak out a lot of runs. So more than giving credit to the batsman, it is something to reflect on that how your bowling
Yeah,
is and how often are you.
Yeah. Bowling, if more than anything else is the bowling that's going to land them in trouble.
Yeah.
CSK needs someone like they used to have Doug Bollinger. They need someone like him because Doug Bollinger was very crucial in that part when CSK was winning trophies. So nobody remembers him. Everybody remembers Dhoni and Raina's contribution, but Doug Bollinger was a huge success.
That's why
So
I
they
want
have tried
Fleming.
to
they
get,
need-
This auction, Fleming's
they've
job was to
tried
get
to
a good
get
bowler.
They've got instead of Hazelwood. So he'll be joining soon the CSK
He's also a
camp.
good bowler.
He's a good bowler. He has a very good
They
record
have
in PPL.
they have
And
NDD as well, I think.
Sorry? Yeah, Ngidi is also there. So he'll be joining.
Ngidi.
Yeah. So,
Okay, then I was too early
but then
to
again,
criticize
how
Fleming.
many foreigners do you play? How many foreigners do you play? That's the biggest problem. I don't think Sam Curran should be shown the door. I don't think Moeen Ali should be shown the door. But then
But he's
even
played
Bravo,
too
like
many
Bravo,
bits and pieces cricketers. The Bravo, Moeen Ali, none of them are specialists. Everybody will chip
but
in with something
yeah,
with
but
ball, something
Bravo,
with bat. But
for me, Bravo is a better bet than Shardul. Shardul is like what Shardul के आज के figures में 4 over में 47 and he picked up 1 wicket. For me, a bowler who is good or I consider as good is उसका एक दिन ऐसा होगा. शार्दुल का मेजोरिटी दिन ऐसा होता है जिसमें वो 40 रन देगा, हाँ 4 विकेट ले लेगा, 3 विकेट ले लेगा, बट उसके 40 रन कंसिस्टेंट है. Whereas when it comes to Bumrah, he had an off day yesterday when ABD took him apart. But it's an off day. होता है. But you cannot say the same thing for Shardul Thakur.
But I do hope the Indian team think tank is watching these games of Shardul Thakur.
I thought they're watching this.
Because unfortunately,
I don't think we can take him.
To quote Shoaib Akhtar, मुझे मैनेजमेंट में आने दो, फिर देखो मैं कैसे शेरों की तरह लड़वाता हूँ.
नहीं, शेरों की तरह लड़ाता नहीं हूँ. मैं कितने शेर बनाता हूँ या निकालता हूँ सिस्टम.
नहीं, शेरों की तरह लड़वाता हूँ भाई. वो तो बोल रहा है
something but creating शेर also.
वो तो करेगा ही, शेर बनाएगा, शेरों को लड़वाएगा. और तो इसी के साथ लेट्स वाइंड अप. आई थिंक we'll meet again tomorrow 11:30 and it's good to have guests rolling over. Reem, thank you for joining today. Shashwat, I'll see you again tomorrow. Reem, I'm hoping to see you tomorrow as well. Thank you all for joining.
Tomorrow mushkil hai because Sunday night then Monday and all that stuff.
That way I'll get to see you only on Friday, Saturdays then.
Most likely Saturday types.
You're the weekend attraction of this IPL.
Unless Dhoni does some magic, then I can come in just to point to Shashwat.
Sure. Even if you come for 5 minutes and then go away, that's fine.
But only 4 are allowed in this thing, right? That's an issue actually.
Any of the days that Dravid gets credit by any of the batsmen or bowlers or fielders, or anyone gives credit to Rahul Dravid and we have Reem on the panel.
Mera startup idea is Dravid credit card. I'm telling you, super hit हो जाएगा. जीमो में 10,000 लोग हैं.
चलो, great talking to you. आज के सारे points भी cover हो गए and we are a little late, but ठीक है, we'll somehow manage to fit this in 30 minutes very soon.
Yeah, we can squeeze it to 30 minutes. It'll be.
Yeah. I think it's also because we're all, coming face to face after such a long time, and we tend to. माफ कीजिएगा, मैं जरा इधर उधर भटक जाता हूँ, तो वो चीज हो जाता है.
That video I remember is hilarious.
So that happens a little, but we'll get to that. We'll get to that 30-minute mark, and soon many more people will also see that. So thank you, Atif. Thank you for being around and giving your comments. Shardul finished on 2 for 53 today, by the way, not 47. Chalo.
See you. Bye.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Good night, guys.